Hello everyone. You often notice that sum of the total for table or matrix visual is not the way you want because the Power BI evaluating the measures in the total row across a filter context. This has been addressed in March 2026 Power BI update. You just need to enable the visual calculation and ensure that your Power BI desktop is updated to the March 2026 release. Now let me switch for the demo. First, I will add a table visual from Power BI Visual Gallery. And this actually applies for the matrix visual as well. But for this demo, I'm taking a table visual. And from the data table or data model, I will add a product as a column. And here I have a two major cells. So you can see the price multiplied by order quantity is my sales amount. So I'll add this as well. And the another measure is the total number of customer, distinct count, customer ID. So this I will also add. Okay. Now, till now everything looks good actually, but you notice here the number of customer, total number of customer is the 650, which is incorrect. So you have to enable a visual calculation if it is not enabled on Power BI desktop. So I will show you. Go to the file, option and setting, and in option and setting, click on the option and here preview features and now come down and here you will see the visual calculation actually. So if it is not enabled on your Power BI desktop, please enable, click OK, close the Power BI desktop and restart or reopen the Power BI desktop. So it is already enabled, so I'll click cancel. So and now you have to right click on the number of customer column and you will see the option customize total calculation. And here you will see the option sum, mean, max, distinct count, etc. So I need a total number of customer. So I will select a sum. So once I will select a sum, you can see the total number of customer is 8,369. You can also format this and you have to go to the format option journal and data format and here you have to select the whole number. So now number of customer has been formatted. Now I'll show you what Power BI is doing behind the scene. So just select this visual and I will go to the format option and here in the number of customer just click on the down arrow and you will see the option edit calculation. Just click on it. So here you can see this is the original column, number of customer. Original column is renamed as a number of customer underscore base and it is hidden. Now new column with the same name, number of customer has been created with this DAX. Okay, you can customize this also. There won't be any problem. Now this is the behind the scene. Now at any point of time, if you want to revert back this total number of customer, so you have to just right click and select this and click on the reset to default. So it will revert back actually. Again, you have to right click, customize total and sum. And here also you can see one indication that slightly down kind of the arrow. This indicate that the sum visual calculation has been applied. That's all for this video and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.